Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to find expired Tumblr domains in 2025, the kind that still carry authority, backlinks and even traffic. So these domains can be valuable for SEO, for niche blogging or even flipping. So I will guide you through step by step with the exact tools that you need. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to understand when we say expired Tumblr domains, we are actually talking about Tumblr blogs that have been abandoned but still have a valuable username or backlink pointing out to them. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and you need to search for expired Tumblr domains. Once you search for it, you will find the information in the help section of Tumblr, so you can click on it and you can read it further. Then you will see Fiverr website, so you can click on it, and as you can see, you can find various types of gigs. These are basically the person that are going to provide you high TAPA type of Tumblr domains. So you can either select these gigs, and after paying some money you can get high quality domains from Fiverr. Second thing that you can do is you can come to the websites like domainhuntergatherer.com and here click on the get instant access option. Now this service is completely paid. You are also not going to get any free plan. So if you want to go free, you can even use Hrefs. Some of the features at Href are free, so you can just use Href in order to find the best high quality Tumblr domains. You can just authorize it with the help of the domain authority backlink, so you can filter that out. If you want to check the availability of the domain manually, you can even type this command in the search bar, that is username.tumblr.com. for example, I type this username before it, and if I click on the search option, if there is any username available, as you can see that it is available, it will show whether or not it is available. If there is nothing, it simply means that you can claim it instantly. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.